world is full of beautiful colors and shapes. Namaste everyone, I am Varsha Singh with my bag of shapes.
This Create and Learn kit has 6 shapes in blue, orange, yellow, purple, green and red color. This is a circle. A circle has no sides. See, there are many circles. So, we are going to do the gradation of circle. Small, big, bigger, biggest. This is a semicircle. If we join two semicircles, we get a circle. Now, look at these semicircles. This one is small. Small, big, bigger, biggest. This is an oval. Oval has no sides. Oval looks like circle, but it's certainly more tall. Hey kids, do you know which shape is this? This is a square. Square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. This is a rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Kids, can you please tell me what is the major difference between a square and rectangle? The major difference between a square and rectangle is that a square has all its sides equal, whereas a rectangle has its opposite sides equal. This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Do you know, kids? We are able to trace beautiful patterns with the help of these shapes. Come on, let's do it. Triangle, oval, semicircle. What comes next? Right, triangle. Amazing work! With the help of these shapes, I take you to the land of stories. But before that, I must tell you that these shapes can also be slightly dipped in water and can stick on any plain surface. Once there was a square. The square was playing alone. He was little sad and was looking for its friends. Soon a triangle landed on the top of the square, and they were so happy. Then a circle appeared near the house, and the circle brightened up their day. Then a boy named Tim came near the house and he made a boat. And he started singing, "Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream." This way you can create many more stories with the help of these shapes and enhance vocabulary building skills. My bag of shapes is magical. So now kids, I'm going to show you some beautiful designs with the help of my magical bag. These shapes are child-friendly and bright in color. With the help of these, a child can learn to sort and categorize, which are essential for problem solving. This also improves their creative skills, develop pre-writing skills, helps to understand mathematical geometrical concepts like counting, shape, size, and much more. So happy learning with KPL!